Hi, it's me again, I'm back. Hey, let's talk ASAP. Do you have the time? Let's talk ASAP, baby. Hurry up, don't be lazy. ASAP. Baby, hurry up, don't say maybe. 할 얘기 다 한 줄 알고 빨간색 눌러. 끊고 나니 생각나서 다시 떠올려. There's this one more thing I'll show you. Come with me, so much to do and lot to see. Just for a minute. Just for a ASAP, baby. Hurry up, don't say maybe. ASAP, baby. Hurry up, don't say maybe. Hi, it's me again, I'm back. Hey, let's talk ASAP. Do you have the time? Let's go ASAP, baby. Hurry up, don't be lazy. ASAP, baby. Hurry up, don't say maybe. ASAP, baby.
Kaino mo yun galing? Oh.
Just for a just for
Hi guys, welcome back to our vlog! Here I am! Yan ba yun? Parang hindi.
Wow, may tripod.
That's my idea, guys! That's my idea! That's my idea!
Hey, Mark. Sumama siya magsundo. Wow naman.
lang siya, sumama siya.
Wala ta si Ate Kang.
Julia.
Oo.
Tumakas na sila. What the dog doing?
Hi kayo. Ang mysterious naman.
Na nag-withdrawal kayo? Cash copy ba nadagdag siya? May ganyan kayo? May ganyan pala kayo? Kasi kailangan niyang mag-uwi yung 100%.
sa liga. Hindi na ako. Wait, may time.
Time check 11:12 p.m. So guys, like legit, wala pa akong nire-review, wala pa akong nagawang script for reporting. Wala pa nga akong... Di ko pa nga alam yung i-report ko. Like, I mean, I have my part na, pero like, di pa ako nag-research about it. I still don't know what to say about the reporting because may explain ko. Pero like, bukas na yon ng 10 a.m. ng umaga, girl. Seryoso ba? Maaabutan ba ako? May quiz din ako sa FAR 2. Long quiz ba? Like, parang long quiz siya kasi ang dami niyang coverage. Like, cash and equivalents, petty cash fund, bank reconciliation, and more. I guess, hindi ko na alam. Pero may i-review ko pa lang nga siya. Wala pa talaga ako na-review. As in, like, one week, ilang weeks na din yung reporting. Hindi ko pa nagawa. So, kakram talaga tayo. Why am I cramming this Sunday? Because it was because I was out all day. No, ngayong Sunday na to, I went to church. Tapos, pupunta ako ng Kuku Bake Club to try the Dubai Chewy cookie. Then, nung nag-mall, bumili lang ng makeup. And then, gabi na to, galing kaming unlimited, with all you can restaurant. Di ko alam saan, basta Mang Jimmy ata yung pangalan niya. So yun, may kumain kami doon and kakauwi lang namin ng mga 10 p.m. And here I am, magka-cram tayo. So hopefully, pumasa ako sa quiz. At I hope I do well sa reporting you all. So, support me. So, pray for me, guys. Pray for me.
What the dog doing?
Today is 7:49 a.m. And yan, magbabalik tayo. Mag-review tayo ulit. Kahit konting na lang. Since 10 a.m. yung pasok ko. Supposedly gising ako 6 a.m. Kaso hindi ko talaga kinaya, guys. Nag-extend pa ako ng tulog. Anyways, yan. Gawa lang ako ng nagawa ako ng Energen and then nabalik ako dito to review. Alright. So, let's review na. Nakakatamad, guys. Grabe, ito yung struggle talaga. Nakakatamad mag-review ba eh. Dito na lang kasi score ko. This is us before FAR. Quiz time. This is us after part 2. Expected
Part
score.
2, 2.
Expected score.
Ano? 2. Kasi pare-kaparehas akong sagot.
2 na lang din, 2. Expected score.
2 lang yung sure ko.
Buti ka pa rin.
Yung number, yung problem number.
May shortage.
Hello.
Hello?
Wakin. Ida namin na sir na kami. Kasaya. Uy.
Sige, puta.
Trying.
Dewey Donut. Dalawa po yung sa kanya guys. Malaman ako.
Ay, oo, naman.
Oo nga, diba?
Pipiliin ko lang yung pinakamalaki.
Akala ko sa'yo yung dalawa dati.
Saan mo na yung sa'yo?
Meron pala ako guys.
Alam ko mag-color yung lips natin.
Ah, ba?
Oo, smart. I mean, like the chocolate lang. 1, 2, 3, go.
Suga. Sobrang pait niya outside. Boy, yung kalat mo kanina ka pa.
Hindi ko kasi makagat ng maayos.
Pangkagat ka na?
Wala na sa buhok ko sa